Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Well Secret Flight. So in today's review videos, I would like to share with you about this new cloud app to be launched tomorrow, 11 a.m. EXT on the JV2 marketplace. Right. So this app is called StreamOut. So basically, StreamOut is app it can actually have the capability to go live on any social media platform with the voice on the system, then combine the power of social media streaming and web data style follow-up. So basically you have two main key thing capability that come together under the software. One is can do a social media streaming, scheduling, manage all the streaming for, and also have this built-in autoresponder email follow-up has been built together in the web data style, right? So this is it can do streaming and web data also, and also email follow-up to actually to engage your audience throughout this social media. Right? Okay, so you can use a pre-recorded videos or live stream like that on the Facebook or YouTube or Twitch, right? Okay, they support three key social media platform. There is Facebook, this YouTube, and also these tweets, right? So this is a sales page of this stream tech. Free time to go through every single detail, right? What I want to show to you here is about what are the bonuses and front ends and the OTO that come together in this stream out, right? Okay, so if you click the link below this video, you're going to come to my review page and look like this: stream out, review, and bonus, right? Okay, look at the pro I put together is a work phone, even total beginner no selling but still get paid 1,000, and simple for click process that anyone can follow. So there's no others major work here, so you can actually let me quickly show to you inside is the price and the front end, right? So Mario Bro is a creator of this product. The front end is we start at 47 the early bird price, but to take fast action when it was launched tomorrow like 11 a.m. EXT just start take fast action to grab this at the 47 front end price only, right? Okay, and there are 47 and 67 two different price for this front end, right? Okay, so basically these are the features I will compile together. This is live streaming on timeline pages and group live scheduler. You can do a email reminder also, and WhatsApp and SMS reminder, as well as a browser notification, multicasting, live streaming on multiple channels also, right? Invite the participants, share screen, right? Real-time layout change and read comment and share them on the live screen. Background and image and logo customization. These are the 11 features I compiled together to give you an overview of the capability of this software, right? Okay, let's have a look into this front end. It starts at 67, 47 and 67, and the differences here between these two packages is actually can be seen from here also, right? And also inside the sales page, you can see there are two different packages. 47 is a silver, it have a 1 hour live streaming, right? And this can actually support up to 2 hours live streaming, right? Okay, this gold version is the unlimited session, and the best thing is the unlimited participant. There's a two guests, right? Okay, so can support up to two guests, and this is again they have more feature than the 47 to our pre-recorded streaming for our pre-recorded streaming recording, and there are more other features here which is lesson in this 47. So with extra $20, you're going to get all these other features all together here, and there's a lot other very fantastic, powerful feature that come together with this gold version also. Right? And it also support the autoresponder plugin and things like all these major autoresponder can be supported using all these I would say this Go version, and definitely this is come with the commercial license. You are able to actually make profit or make money out of this providing the services to your local business or other kind, right? Okay, let's come back here to our this review here. So this is 100% risk-free for you, money back guarantee also. Okay, let me quickly show to you on if you pick up the string out via the link below my video, you're going to get all these bonuses here, and these bonuses can only made available to you via if you purchase this StreamOut via the link below my video. The first, I'm going to give you two special bonuses if you actually purchase the front end or any other OTO. Okay, so the OTO here is OTO 1 StreamOut Platinum. Okay, this is again is a 67 for Platinum or any other OTO here. If you purchase together with the front end, you are going to get my money for you. Money list is a 50,000 so-called make money on the subscriber. You can log into your autoresponder and start promoting them any offer and making a lot of sale and profit. You don't have to crack your head how to actually build your lead for the scratch. And also the second bonuses is a special bonus on product and PLR 6,000 PLR ebook and video. You can actually tap on this PLR ebook and video to actually sell them and as you want, and also you can keep 100% of the profit. So these are the two special bonus I prepared for you if you buy the front end of any other OTO. Okay, so in conjunction with this StreamOut, I have StreamOut is about actually how to you can actually do a live streaming to all the major social media like Facebook, Twitter, and also YouTube. And I have actually put together three very key bonuses which will actually help you to actually explore the capability of this live streaming. Facebook Live Authority, this very special bonuses, right? How to use Facebook Live to engage with your audience, build your brand, and sell more of your product. This is going to actually make more value to this StreamOut software, and it's going to help you to understand and master the Facebook Live. Also, the second one is exclusive to today, how to live stream on YouTube. Okay, this I've actually prepared this special tutorial just to show you, make you understand more about this, how to live stream on the YouTube. And also this is a very real tutorial, right? Okay, how to live stream on Twitch, right? How you can use Twitch as another social media platform to do live streaming and get a lot, grow your audience and get a lot potential. You can get a lot lead out of this Twitch social media platform also, right? Okay, so the other bonus is the 15 free traffic methods. You can use it to promote any affiliate product and 6 pay underground traffic source. Nova, the best TikTok traffic app I put together here. Also, I have this the best Instagram traffic app JavaScript commission bot, right? And also I have this 3x, the best Twitter traffic app. Okay, all this is a social media traffic apps. It's going to help you to get more actually more high converting traffic from the social media by using these different social media traffic tools, right? And I have the Exocia social media marketing tool on the cloud app. You can use it to auto post, schedule Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. Also video library giver 250 video. You can use it to promote your blog and site, giveaway for engagement, build a membership site, etc., and a lot of others benefit you can gain from this video giveaway. Audio widget reseller line also include. If you are creating video, you want to do some audio track, then I have this app. You can actually create your audio track, and this is again come with the reseller line exclusive this building training with 100 free solo app. You can submit any link to this free solo app, and potentially you can convert some sale, or you can also get a lot lead out of this 100 free solo app. YouTube Hack 2021 and YouTube channel SEO is another already two powerful bonus I have given to you to show you how you can actually rank the YouTube video and YouTube channel, and high ticket system, how to make high ticket commission selling high ticket product. Super affiliate software funnel, the three best affiliate software you can resell it as part of the funnel, and this is going to come with the reseller like also, right? Also, 10x tools is a 50 SEO tool on the cloud. You can use it to optimize your so-called your blog or also your website and product launch at how to make the best of your new product launch, right? Getting the JV to promote product. Email search is how to boost your email conversion, right? And 250 funnel kit, drag and drop funnel kit builder. We are done for new template. Okay, you don't have to, but you don't have to pay to click funnel monthly to get their this funnels builder, right? So video creation app with VidSpark, and we have this the traffic cloud app, and also affiliate store builder step by short imaging. You can put all the different affiliate offer into one single place under this affiliate store, and this affiliate store builder is going to get you to that kind of okay, and you have this free training how to make money without you selling anything, and learn how to make the best of this training without you selling anything to anyone in order for you to make money online, right? Okay, the end is a 200 special bonuses bundle with the real bonus package I put together. You can see have this also overview of what is inside this 200 bonus package altogether, and all this more than 200 plus bonuses I put together for you here. And you can see all this is a email strap, email marketing video training course. There's other more than 100 traffic software is also inside here. Some they are opt-in and capture template I put together, and they are active make money online video training courses and product I have put together. These other from Jono, Armstrong, and Brandon Mays. We have made a million orders selling this product, and now it is you to actually to learn the in and out of how they have been doing so, right? Okay, so this is basically all the bonuses I put together, and there are some vendor bonuses here. You can see in the StreamOut, you can see there are a couple of bonuses the vendor have actually been given to you as part of this purchase also, right? Okay. So all the bonuses can be downloaded from the GB Juice member earlier upon purchase, and also I have another 10 more exclusive bonuses for you. And here's where you'll be getting how to actually get 600,000 YouTube view case study, how to find and close a high paying client, whether secret exposure, how to nominate YouTube without showing your face, and also how to actually have your over 10,000 lead. This is a case study, personal planning, blueprint, storytelling, marketing, Pinterest profit, and buyer trigger, and Facebook app secret advanced scaling also have been put together. So everything you'll be getting for the price of 47, but I strongly encourage you to buy the 67, the gold package, because it comes with all the more features where you can actually take the best advantage of this StreamOut. If you buy this gold package of just 67, everything you'll be getting more than 200 bonuses. It cost me around 10,000 to prepare all these bonuses to you, right? Okay, so take fast action today and grab all these bonuses together with the StreamOut, right? So before I end today's presentation, let me quickly show to you on this StreamOut software, right? Okay, I have pre-recorded a video here to actually to show you how this whole thing works. Okay, so take a fast view here on this, right? Okay, so this is what we'll be seeing when you actually purchase this StreamOut. This is our opt-in page here, right? You can sign in. You can actually see this is demo page here. You can see this is some of the features that have been created out. All this StreamOut. This is very simple to use software, right? Okay, the first thing we can see is in this demo version here, you can have a theme. And because and this is where the power will come in. You can see you can also do a live streaming, pre-recorded video streaming with Facebook Live, YouTube Live, or Twitch Live. Okay, you can even select the Facebook account, the timeline, the page, which page you can stream to the timeline, to the page, to the group also of the Facebook Live. Okay, you can live it live now or schedule the live. Yep. So have a look into that, right? So just quickly move to the next here. So you can select which option, and you can easily create an event of the live event by using this software. And you also have other things like okay, you can even notify stream registration. So when you already register for the streaming, then we have an email, the SMS, then this will actually send a auto notification to these people, so they can actually be reminded to join the session, right? So here is it. So once you're created, you can see this is the next step, event detail and timeline, live demo, registration page setting, registration page type reminder, autoresponder. You can even integrate your autoresponder when people go to your live streaming. They can also use your autoresponder to capture their email also, right? Okay, all these registration, live scheduling, everything, and also the lead capturing can be managed via this software, right? Okay, so this is how it look like, and this is one of the example here, live demo, and this is how it look like also, and this way you can actually register for the live event, and all this is fun, and so this look like this is two-in-one software. You have this webinar also, and the live streaming of this, and can actually have the event description, the time zone, everything can be actually easy this okay created here. Also you have this a lot other thing. You can in the registration page you can have a thank you page, a video, social media, and when you send a link to people to register for your event, right, you can actually integrate the email to the autoresponders, things like that, and this registration page tags, right? Yeah, this is also everything can be customized. You can even configure your autoresponder, the list, which one you want to convert in. And this is again some of the supporters autoresponder, right? MailChimp, GetResponse, AutoCare, ActiveCampaign, iConnect. So almost all the major autoresponder are in the list here, right? Okay, so no matter which autoresponder you're using, you are able to find from the list to you to connect to this StreamOut crowd app, right? Easily without any hassle, right? Okay, have a look into this, and this is how it comes. You can actually, so using the live demo, people can actually, you can see, you can even have this so-called comments, you can customize different things. You can during the live demo, you can actually have add the guest screen share. You can share the screen. So as I said, this is a two-in-one software. You can do a live demo, streaming the live demo, and you can also use it to actually connect the so-called I would call it as a webinar. You can host webinar using this. Everything is all in one side and very easy to use, and you can have this how to connect with your account, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch. Also, these are three major social platform supporter. There is a Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch, and I have actually prepared for these three very major my first three bonuses is going to help you to understand more and make the best use of this stream using my three key bonuses at the when I share to you here. So take first section today, click the link below this video and come to my review page, grab all these bonuses, and for the price of 47 for the silver version and 67 for the gold version, or you want to pick if you buy the front end any OTO, yes, you're going to get my two very special bonuses here, and this is definitely all these bonuses is some in some way. They have the reseller, they have the PLR, right? You can actually resell the ebook video course inside all these 6,000 PLR ebook and video, and you can also sell it as your own product, and my bonuses is giving to you here with the opportunity for you to make profit and make money, but in the other way it's going to help you to make the best use of the stream outright. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Always be safe. Thank you. Bye bye.